How to create Robinhood Wallet account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So if you want to sign up for Robinhood Wallet from your PC web browser, you can go to the website. But for now, I'm going to sign up through the application that I have downloaded. Now let's open the application first. Just tap on Get Started. Wait for a while. Okay, now we have to sign up, so we are going to tap on Create a new wallet. Then over here, you have to create a PIN for yourself. Make sure that you create a strong PIN. Okay. Now again, confirm your new PIN here. Now wait for a while again. Over here, you can either back up your details or you can just skip this process. If you want to turn on notifications, tap on this or just skip this process. Tap on Let's Go now. So now you can see that you have successfully signed up for Robinhood Wallet account on your mobile phone. Now you can use it accordingly and use various features provided by the application to you. And this was it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.